One question I hear a lot from accountants and bookkeepers is, should I build my company's branding or should I focus on my personal branding? Both are powerful, but they serve different purposes and play different roles when it comes to your marketing strategy. Today, in this short video, we're going to break down the difference between company branding and personal branding, the pros, the cons of each, and which one you should choose. So let's start with company branding. Company branding is about positioning your business as the trusted and recognized entity that it is. It focuses on your business name, logos, the services you offer, your company's mission, value, and overall reputation. For example, names like XYZ Bookkeeping or Financial Partners Group represent companies that clients trust for consistency and professional services. And here's why company branding is so effective: scalability. It's easier to grow, hire a team when clients recognize your names as a trusted brand, not just as a person. Longevity. Your company can operate beyond you. This is ideal if you plan to sell your business someday or pass it on. And professionalism. A strong company brand feels established, credible, especially for B2B clients who are looking for consistency and reliability. But here's the challenge when it comes to company branding. Company branding can feel impersonal. It takes time and effort to build trust because people don't connect with logos, they connect with people. If you're going to work on your company's branding only, it's important to make the CEO of the company very prominent on the website and the team members. Best way to do this is to make a 30 to 90-second video with the message from the CEO or the founder to potential clients. Now let's talk about personal branding. Personal branding is about positioning yourself as the face of your business. It's built based on your name, your face, your personality, and your shared experiences with other people and stories that you're going to share. Kind of like what I'm doing right now for my course. Also, it's about building relationship through direct communications. Here's why personal branding works so well: trust and connection. People trust people. By putting yourself out there, you build stronger, more immediate relationships. Your personality, your expertise, and the stories you share is going to set you apart from your competitors. Also, personal brands create much more engagement and they grow a lot faster on platforms like social media and YouTube because people prefer to connect with individuals, not logos. However, personal branding also has its challenges. It's very hard to scale because clients want you, not necessarily your team. It ties your business to your name, which makes selling or stepping back more difficult. It also requires an ongoing effort, and you can't hide behind a logo or a team. So, which one is right for you? Company branding or personal branding? The answer depends on your goal and your future business objectives. If you're a solo practitioner and you're just starting out, personal branding is the quickest way to attract clients by sharing stories, expertise, results. You build trust and generate leads much faster. And if you plan to scale, hire a team, and eventually sell your practice, focus on company branding alongside with your personal branding. This allows your business to operate without relying entirely on you. Here's what I recommend: don't choose one, combine both. Start with your personal brand to build trust and connection, especially in the early stages of your company. Then, once your business grows, you can transition some of that trust to your company brand. For example, use your name and face in your marketing, social media videos, on networking events. Gradually integrate your company name, logo, and mission into your messaging. This way, you leverage the power of personal trust while building a scalable professional company brand that can stand out on its own and eventually be sold if you choose to do that. Remember, people buy from people they trust. Whether you're building a personal brand, a company brand, or combining both, the key is consistency, deliver value, and build strong relationships.